Ma'am, please introduce about yourself and where have you come from?
So I'm Aishwarya and I'm from Coimbatore. I'm the founder of Glitters, wherein we do websites and digital marketing, basically help businesses to grow online.
And how was this event? Any two key takeaways you have from the event?
So there's not just one or two that I can mention, every activity that we do, it was a key takeaway. That wasn't something that we had given a deeper thought about. So every aspect, and moreover, I'm also part of Marketing 2.0 of Dhanush. So again, and in every session, there was something new that we could learn. And moreover, I found Dhanu at a point, wherein I was running my business. But then I wanted someone who can genuinely guide on, what we need to do, what are the things that we need to focus on. Because everything is green on the other side, right before you start the business, oh, these things, we can just do it. Everything can be sorted out. But when you actually swim into the water, when you're actually put into the water, that's when oh, this is something that we've missed out, this is something that we need to improve on. It would have been better if I had known these things and I was there on the water. So it's like we are learning swimming as we are into the water, and Dhanu is guiding us even better. That's what I would say. So he was a good friend. I came to know about him through one other course of his, which was GMB. So it started with an incident wherein, he had this course called GMB. I enrolled for the initial session of it, paying something, but then there wasn't response for 3 months or so. And then again, I saw this ad of his wherein I put a comment guys, I tried reaching you out, but there wasn't any response. So that's how I came to know about Dhanu the very first time. And he within an hour, 30 minutes or so, I got a response from him. This is the number, my team will contact you. So that was the moment, the trust was built on it. And ever since then, we know Dhanu wouldn't do some injustice to whatever he's offering. So, and the trust that I kept on him, it is still there, and it will be, it's growing strong.
Do you recommend everyone to come to Marketing 2.0 and the event?
Definitely, in whichever place you are in terms of your business, whether you are just starting out or you are a multi-crore businessman, definitely every session of his will give you a newer perspective. That's what I can say.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.